to be in the kitchen. As you can see, I just wash off this beautiful chicken. What I'm going to do is simple cut up some fresh thyme, and I'm using my scissors, guys. Look at that, nice one. The next thing I'm going to do is cut up some spring onion. And this is beautiful. Nice one. So basically, just as you can see, that's the spring onion and some fresh thyme. So what we're going to do is do some fresh garlic inside of it, just like this. Look at that. That is a fresh garlic. That is beautiful and really nice. So I'm gonna do one more fresh garlic inside of it. Nice one. I'm gonna do another one. Look at that. Beautiful. That is fantastic. Do another fresh garlic. That's what happened when you're using the garlic crusher. It's come out lovely and nice. Do another garlic. Nice and lovely. This beautiful. So now I'm going to just marinate my chicken. I'm gonna cut up a medium-sized white onion, and chicken looking lovely and nice. So that's the white onion. Lovely and nice. So that's the white onion. Just a second with you guys. Let's hold it the same way. Right there. Just like that. Beautiful and nice. So I'm going to put on the gloves. I'm going to just rub up the chicken. Just like this. So basically, when you do your chicken, you need to wash it first with some lemon juice with lime. That's looking lovely. And now we're going to put some paprika. That's paprika. I'm going to put some mixed herb. It's going to be a nice, lovely barbecue chicken. Now we're going to put some all-purpose season. Three teaspoons of barbecue of chicken. All-purpose season. Now I'm going to put some ketchup. Nice one. Roughly half buckles of ketchup. Barbecue sauce. Same thing. Half buckle tablespoons of barbecue sauce. And a little bit of salt. Rub it up. This looks so lovely. Nice, guys. Honestly, look at that. You see that? That's looking amazing. Oh, that look to you?
Good.
Beautiful. Nice, beautiful. It's really nice, as you can see. So now, what we're going to do is to tray it up and show you how to cook it. All right. And I'm gonna lay my chicken like this. See that? That's looking lovely and nice. And that's what to do once you marinate your chicken. You need to put it in a piece of a grease-proof paper like this. So this is the next one. Chicken looking so lovely. Nice. I love the barbecue chicken. Nice, lovely barbecue sauce. Let's bring it on top of it right there. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, this is the chicken. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for roughly 45 minutes for it to cook. Alright, so please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel as I put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I just take the chicken from the oven and you know what I mean, look at that juice from the chicken. It's just you know what I mean, just amazing. But anyway, you will see what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply remove that liquid, and I'm going to pour off this liquid. Yeah, I'm gonna pour off this liquid. It's nice, looking good so far. How it look to you, Anton? It's looking good?
Yeah. So far,
really nice.
Lovely.
Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna pour off this liquid on the camera. Nice one. It's looking lovely and nice. So, I'll get a medium-sized pot. So what you want to do is pour out this nice, lovely juice. Nice, okay, look at this. This is what you want to do. You want to pour off this liquid to make a nice, lovely barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna put back this in the oven. Straight back in the oven. get rid of this liquid. There's a lot of liquid. Nice one. And that's looking good. Looking lovely. So that look nice. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put this in the oven and get that nice lovely color. So this is the liquid of the chicken. Alright guys, and all I'm going to do now is pour some more ketchup inside of it like this. That's simple. Rinse out my ketchup bottle with a little bit of warm water. I'm gonna pour it in like this. So basically, as you can see, stove is on and things looking good. I have some more ketchup, so I'm using roughly about half buckles of ketchup to make the sauce. I'm gonna rinse out the bottle, you know what I mean? Get rid of this ketchup inside of it and pour it in it like this. Get rid of the flavor. Then we have some barbecue sauce also. I'm gonna just add a little bit of liquid to it, a little bit of water. Shake it up. Rinse out the bottle. Nice one. And put a little bit more ketchup. A little bit more barbecue sauce. Nice one. So that looking good. Everything has to be perfect when you're doing these kind of dishes. They're really 100% perfect. You know? See that? Then look at that. But not only that, I normally use a little bit of gravy. This is gravy, onion gravy. So I'm gonna just pour a little bit in it like this. That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor. This is some onion gravy. And it's gonna thicken it up a little bit. So it's gonna blend a lovely flavor to it. Nice and lovely. So that looking good. So what we want to do now, allow this to for it to boil up for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes. Then that's it. Nice and lovely. So I just take the chicken from the oven. That's the way it look. So basically I'm going to put some sauce on it and put it back in the oven. So it's gonna be an amazing recipe, guys. This is the sauce right here. I just finished the sauce. All I did, I put a little bit of browning inside of it to get a lovely color. That's looking good. Nice and lovely. So now this is the chicken as it right here, and this is the sauce. So basically what I want to do is simply pour the sauce on top of the chicken like this. That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to the chicken, and you can see the way the chicken looks so lovely already and nice. Alright, so this is what you're gonna do. We're gonna make it a nice, lovely chicken like this. And right over here, we have some more, which I'm gonna put some more sauce on this one, just like that. And just like that. The most important thing, you just want your chicken to cook perfect. So we're gonna put this in the oven for roughly about 10 minutes more. Make it get that nice lovely color, and then that's gonna be it. But as you can see, it looking so lovely already and nice. That's looking good, guys. You saw that looking nice? Look at the color of the chicken. beautiful chicken. So now we're gonna put it in the oven for roughly about 10 more minutes, and that's gonna be it. And then we're going to share it out. Nice and lovely. Just take it from the oven. Only looking so beautiful and nice. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. I will see you next time with a good recipe. Barbecue chicken.